I'm going to quickly show you how to create a Google form. First, go to the link in the description, which will open up docs.google.com/forms. Here, you could choose any one of these templates for your form, but for now, we are going to start from scratch and open up a blank form. This is where you can have a title and description for your form. Click on this first tile to edit it. As you can see, there are multiple options here, but don't worry, I will be explaining the most important ones to you one by one. In this field, you can have any question or text you want. I'm just going to ask for their name here. Now from this drop-down menu, pick which type of answer you are looking for. For my example here, we are expecting a short answer for their name. You can switch on this required toggle if you want to make a field mandatory or required to be answered. Once you are done creating your first question, you can click on this button with the plus icon to add in another question. Here, I'm going to be asking for their email, which will be a short answer and it will be required. If you want, you can click on this More Options button to add a description to the question. To check if people are entering a valid value into the text box, we can use response validation in the same More Options menu. This will add an extra field here for us. Here you can check for multiple different things like numbers, text, length. For this specific question, we want to check if users would type a valid email. To do that, we can select text and then email. I'm going to quickly add in a couple more questions to this form. If you want to break your form into multiple different pages, click on this Add Section button and it should break the form into two. So now, this section will be in one page and this section will be in the next. If you want to move or merge these sections, you can do it by clicking on these three dots at the start of each section. You can also add images and videos to the form by using this menu. You can customize the theme of the page by clicking on this color palette. Here, you can change different settings like the fonts used, the color, and you could even add in a header. If you want to see what your form looks like to others, you can click on this eye symbol to preview it. Here you can test the fields to make sure everything is working as intended. Once you are happy with your form, click on Publish to make the form accessible. To share the link with others, click on this icon right here. The responder link is what people answering the form should be getting.